shop with you today at my Walmart. You
Get
go
your
ahead
Easter
and,
basket stuff?
Yeah, I'm at Walmart. You just go ahead and pick up some Easter stuff. Look at this one. Oh.
No, put that one back. Let's go get the other stuff.
Yeah, let's go find more stuff.
Over here, look, you got other stuff over here.
Oh my
Got the
God.
eggs.
Look at this. This is so cool. You can only buy this only at Walmart and Walmart.com.
Let's see over here. Get some grass. What color grass do you want? Do you want
Blue.
green grass or blue grass?
Blue, because it's my favorite color.
Let's go find the blue. That's purple. Here's the green. I think the blue one's over here.
All right.
Here, right here. See, here's a blue.
Look at this one. It's put in the car. So that's in
I
the
think you might
basket.
need another one. Let's go ahead and get another blue.
Maybe we need more. I guess that would be enough.
Okay.
Okay, well.
Let's go and find some eggs. You want to get some eggs and put it in there?
And now let's go find some eggs.
So what kind of eggs do you want? They've got the shiny eggs.
Look at this.
They've got, look at this. They've got these kind of eggs. They've got soccer balls, footballs.
What is this?
Those are some shiny glitter eggs.
I need this one. This one's super cool. This is.
How about these ones? These are bigger eggs. You have more candy in them.
Oh, it is bigger.
Look at that. You have a big old egg surprise. Look at the big eggs at the bottom. Look at the big.
Really? Oh my gosh! Look at this.
It's a big entire egg, huh?
Yeah, it's a big egg.
See, that's what's down here.
I know you some more stuff.
See what stuff in here. Got some basket stuffers. What do you want in your basket? Do you want these kind of stuff or do you want...
Can I have this? A dinosaur? Wow.
Or do you want to put some play-doh in your basket?
Play-Doh, yes, Play-Doh.
You've got all these stuff here.
I know.
Look at the hand clappers. There's hand clappers down there.
Where is it? Oh yeah.
See?
I can clap them.
They look like that.
I can't.
Want to get some egg decorating stuff?
Yeah.
To decorate the eggs?
What's this one?
That's the neon.
Can we get these?
Look at the shiny ones down there.
Where? Oh, you mean these?
No, the ones down there. See, bright and shiny down there.
You
See?
mean these?
Do you like those ones? Which ones do you like?
I
Do you
like
the
this
cup?
one. And then we have to go out in the backyard and Mommy's home to do the Easter hunt. So I'll put the link below for you to watch that video.
So now let's go find some eggs to put in your basket.
Oh yeah!
And then we gotta go find some candy, and then we need a wrapper to wrap your basket up.
Yeah.
So let's go find some eggs.
Look at this is super nice.
See, these are marker ones.
Markers?
Mm-hmm. Look, you got the egg blasts. You could blow on them, see?
You mean these?
See, you blow
Whoa,
these
go ahead and find some eggs. Look, it's super cute.
What about on this side? What's on this side?
This side is some cute.
You got some bubbles up here.
Ooh,
Let's go down here.
we go over this
See what they have on this side.
What?
Baskets.
Wow.
Look, they got some Paw Patrol,
Paw Patrol.
PJ Masks.
Paw Patrol, wherever you're in trouble.
Look at, they even got some unicorns. How cute.
Oh, unicorn.
Iron Mask.
Look at unicorns. Right, the unicorns.
And now we're gonna go find the eggs, and then we
Look
can.
at bunnies.
Easter bunny. That looks like Peter Rabbit.
Hello, my name is Peter Rabbit. I have a blow tie. Oh, hello, I can hug you.
So we found which ones we were gonna get. The bottom ones. Grab the ones in the bottom. There you go. These are the bigger ones.
It even have my favorite color, but my favorite color is not those. It's darker blue.
So let's go ahead and put that in the basket. Let's go find the other thing. So let's go down this side. We might have it here.
No way! Have you seen these bunnies before? They're super cute. And he got held Karen his hand. I could hug him. Ooh.
See, they got a lot of plushy toys here.
Wow, there's so many stuff.
See all the plushy toys?
Wow!
Look at Big Ducky.
This one, you can sleep on it. Just kidding, huh?
Plushy toys.
There's an even cruddy one.
That's cool.
I know. The thing is,
See if they have the little bag thing for it.
does this thing works?
Nope, it doesn't. Let's go find the bag. See, and they've got their own baskets, but I like to make my own
Yeah,
because you get more stuff in them.
And look at here's these.
So like there's the basketballs,
And there's
the Barbies,
and there's these.
the bunny,
I know there's a bunny.
a lot of stuff. And then you've got the Cadburys.
My favorite's Cadbury's.
Cadburys. So we're gonna find some Cadbury eggs to put in the basket.
Yeah.
We got some more candy over here. Bunch of candy. Look, you got some cotton candy, some Starburst,
And then you got these.
jelly beans. We're gonna pick up a couple of jelly beans.
And we got
Get
these.
the blue ones over there, the red and the red ones.
And the red ones.
We'll get some of these.
Yeah. Ooh,
Not that one. This one.
Yeah, that one.
We'll get some of these Starburst.
Ooh, they're nice.
Come on. You got some more here?
Look at this.
Jolly Ranchers.
Yeah, that's super good.
Put it in there.
Well,
Put that one in the basket.
Have you seen this one?
Lifesavers.
Lifesaver.
Get that one right there.
You mean this one?
Yeah, put it in the basket.
Oh, I forgot that one.
You got cute little eggies.
Here's the PJ Masks. This egg.
Got PJ Masks, the Lion King. You got Hello Kitty.
Look at puppy dogs. Puppy dogs.
Spirit. Minnie Mouse. Fubbles. You got your little baskets right here.
And then here's this one. I love this one. I love the blue one.
Then you got Cintos. And then you got your regular
Have you heard of
cute
these
little
kids?
baskets.
These are super cool.
Yeah. So let's go find the paper. So we have the Easter bags.
We found the Easter
I think these are the
bag.
treat bags. We need the bigger bags.
Look at this. I found this. A helicopter.
So we need to find the bags to put over the Easter basket. So we finally found the gift
Yeah,
wrapping.
we
The
looked
wrapping
at-
is right here.
Yeah.
Yay! Some clear wrapping.
Yeah. We look all over the store. We can't find it. So
They
we
finally did. Woo! See, there's other bunnies. There's these ones over here. Look, these ones are a little bit cuter. How cute. Look at that one.
And every time you press this, watch. Happy Easter! Happy Easter!
Aw.
Happy Easter! So I picked
These ones
this.
do too, see?
I picked this one. Ooh.
See, try that one.
Hey, the cheeks move.
That's cute.
Ooh, this is cute. Ooh.
Look at this one's cuter. I think these are cuter. Check this one out.
This one's super cute.
Okay, now let's go find some toys to put in it.
It's,
Okay, let's go down the toy aisle.
look at Snapchat.
It's got Snapchat. You got some Legos over here.
Hey everyone, guess what? I'm on Snapchat, so check on my Snapchat on your parents. Parents, check on your Snapchat. Ooh,
Let's
this
go
one's
find the Play-Doh. Let's go find Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
I don't think that'll fit in your basket.
I don't know, but it's too big.
Let's see all the stuff that they have here.
Oh.
These are Legos. They even got, look at, they got the Harry Potter.
And then you got this one.
That's for the girls. Look at the Harry Potter one.
Ooh, what is this one? Oh
That's
yeah,
Harry Potter.
that's Harry Potter.
Come on, let's go find the Legos.
Look at this one. I've never seen this one.
Minecraft.
Minecraft.
Come on.
I've never seen
Let's
Minecraft.
go find the Play-Doh.
Play-Doh, yeah. There's a biking section. Let's go check on that.
Let's go to Play-Doh. See where the Play-Doh's at.
Go on the Play-Doh.
You got the games right here. See the games?
There's a turtle.
Okay, let's go over the Play-Doh area.
Let's go find
The Play-Doh is over here.
Yay!
So we got Play-Doh.
This one. Can I get this one?
That's the haircut. Look at, they got that one, the wing top. They've got the cars. Look at the dentist one.
Look at puppy dogs.
No, look at the dentist.
Where's
The dentist one right there.
where?
Right there.
Oh, you can just get this one.
The dentist. Put it in there.
Just put it in the basket.
Look at all these ones. They got light brights.
Let's find more. Ooh, this one.
Got some more Play-Dohs right here. Little Play-Doh containers.
Play-Doh cookies.
That's so cool, huh?
Yeah, it comes with everything. Let's get this one.
You see the 5-pack down there? Look at that softy dough down there.
Do you need this one?
Yeah. Let me see that one.
Oh yeah, can I get this one?
It's the softy dough.
I know.
The 5-pack.
I know. You need to go on the side.
Let me see the back of it. It shows you these colors right here. This is where you learn your colors.
Yeah.
That's crazy art.
We found the hand puppet. Rah.
So we already got everything we need to put in your basket.
I'm gonna eat you guys.
So let's go ahead and cash out.
Yes, cash out.
Go cash out.
Cash out.
So now you got all your Easter
I know.
stuff.
When we get home, we just go ahead and unpack our stuff.
Gonna put it all in your basket. All
Yeah.
that stuff.
And yeah.
So now we're leaving.
And we going home. We're gonna see all the stuff when we go.
We're gonna go ahead and make our basket.
Go
All
ahead.
your basket stuff. You have the basket at the house.
I know. So we use like Walmart. Alright, so let's go ahead and go home. And let's go ahead and unpack our stuff. Wow! Wow! We're going on our car. Wow! Oh, now we are in our car. So just go ahead and go home. Let's go ahead and
Get in
go.
our car.
Let's go inside the car.
And next time, we'll come back to make the basket.
Yeah, just go ahead and go home and just go ahead and unpack our stuff. So stay tuned.
To make this basket, you're going to need the basket. You're going to need the paper to cover the basket. You're going to need some eggs,
Hi
some
everyone.
grass,
Hi everyone, it's
some
me.
candy, some Cadbury eggs, or whatever you want to put in there. You're going to need your toys.
Like
And
Play-Doh.
this one here, I put Play-Doh because this is a Play-Doh Easter basket. So right here, we're just going to go ahead and put a box in there. You can use whatever you want. This way it limits the extra space. And then now we're going to put in some.
Grass, bluegrass.
So I'm just going to go ahead and open up this grass, put it inside the basket, and spread it around.
Woo! Grass. Have you heard of grass, everyone?
Okay, you just want to go ahead and make sure you fit it on the sides.
So my mom could wrap it up.
I'm just going to go ahead and make sure everything's in here. Next, we want to go ahead and put the toys in.
Like Play-Doh, my dentist one.
This one we went with the Play-Doh because Noah loves Play-Doh.
Yeah, I actually love Play-Doh. You like Play-Doh? Know in the comments below.
Now we got some other Play-Doh, a 5-pack called Softy Dough.
Ooh,
So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in here.
So they're inside the basket.
And then after you get your Play-Doh in there, just going to go ahead and move this one onto the side. So I'll have extra room to put the eggs and the candy in here.
Like Cadbury's, we bought those one at Walmart. Make sure you watch that one.
Now we're going to go ahead and put the eggs in there that have candy inside them.
Oh yeah. So we're going to open that only from Easter.
Okay, we're just going to do these colors. basically because this is a boy's Easter basket.
So next, after that one, you go ahead and put the wrapping paper
Now
on.
we're going to go ahead and put the Cadbury eggs, which Noah loves Cadbury.
Yeah, that's my favorite Cadbury. The chocolate.
Next,
Is
after we put the Cadbury's in, we want to go ahead and get our little wrapping paper.
Our little wrapping paper.
Which this one has little Easter eggs. We're just going to go ahead and wrap it all around.
So you just go ahead and wrap all the out.
So take your wrapping and make sure it's folding around to the top.
So you just go, so my mom's gonna do it. Watch her doing it.
Next, we're going to go ahead and have it all wrapped up so you can see what it looks like.
So it's all wrapped up. So it's all wrapped up.
As you can see, if you have little holes, you can go ahead and put some tape in there. This bow here, I had for the last couple Easters. I kept it to put it on this basket. As you can see, this is what it looks like once you go ahead and put the paper around it.
So look at that Easter. Look at that Easter basket. Super nice, huh, kids?
As you can see, the toys in there. Last year I overflowed this with extra toys.
So that was the video. So thank you for watching.
So this is how you make your homemade Easter basket. You could put whatever you want in the basket. This year we decided to do Play-Doh because right now Play-Doh is one of Noah's favorite toys at the moment. So if you want the details, we'll put them in the description.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, comment,
share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button.
So you get notified every time he uploads a video.
And don't forget to
give him a thumbs up. And check him out at
NoahNationAdventures.com. And bye! Thanks for watching!